Authentic Filipino lechon.
Here. Closer. Go.
Lechon.
That's the one. You see that? And that it is. Crispy lechon. We love lechon!
Hi, I'm Felipe. I'm from Visayas. We are close in Cebu. Where
is coming the best lechon of Philippines?
Where is the best coming lechon on the is Sometimes I can. sorry.
Mamma mia!
We're coming from the best lechon. Okay. Sorry, best.
Where is coming the best lechon of the Philippines?
Where is the best? We are making the best lechon in the Philippines.
Oh, wait.
The most famous lechon of Philippines is coming from Cebu. And why Cebu have the best lechon of Philippines is recognized for this beautiful, crispy, crunchy skin that some people consider it the best part of the lechon. Despite a Spanish name, the lechon is not necessarily a Spanish dish. Apart the name lechon, that means suckling pig. We know for sure that Filipino was accustomed to cook the pig, the wild boar from Philippines, already spit on the flame and slow cook and roast. A technique that Filipino refers to what they call inasal. The root of the word inasal is asal, means cook over live coal. Cebuanos use the word inasal when they cook something whole on the charcoal. If you cook the whole chicken, it's called manok inasal. If they cut in pieces, they cook on the charcoal, it's called sinumbang manok. The creme de la creme of the inasal, of course, is the lechon. The recipe, of course, everybody have his own, and it's a kind of top secret. Lechon as an iconic dish, it's a dish for celebration, for birthday party, fiestas. The difference between Cebu Lechon and Manila, it's really those spices and herbs all over the meat inside. Give extra flavor and make more powerful the lechon from Cebu and the Manila one, apart the crispy skin. We will go, of course, to the process and the ingredient, but we will explain you even the tips, the secret how to get this beautiful crispy skin. And let's prepare the baby, our pork belly. First job, prepare the skin. What we need to do? We wash it with vinegar and salt. Very nice, wash it, and after we let it dry out overnight in the fridge. Like this, the vinegar and the salt dry out all the skin and give you the beautiful crispy effect that we want for the lechon.
For 2 kilo of belly, we need 5 onion, 12 cloves of garlic, 7 spring onion, 9 lemongrass, soya.
No, use 1 glass of soya sauce.
1 glass of soya sauce, salt, garlic,
No. It's pepper. Garlic. I don't know.
1 cup of milk, butcher string, pepper.
And what we need to do? Step 1, you take your beautiful pork belly, you brush it with vinegar and salt, you leave it in the fridge overnight. That is the first secret to get a beautiful crispy skin. Second of all, we turn the skin upside down, we score it, we put salt, pepper and soya sauce and beautiful massage. We fill it with the onion, lemongrass and all the ingredients and we roll it. Take your string and close it really nice. We brush it again first time with a mix between soya and milk and go in the oven. After that, we brush it again with the same mixture every hour. The third hour, we brush it with olive oil, we raise the temperature and we got the beautiful crispy skin. Now, in a tray, we put some water and some of the herbs left over we have. Pork belly on top, we brush it with this mixture of milk and soya sauce, and we push in the oven at 160 the first 2 hours. Every hour, we brush it again with the milk and soya. After that, at the beginning of the third hour, what we do, we brush it with olive oil, we raise the temperature at 180 and we crisp it up for the last hour.
Making nice.
Come here. Look at that. Yeah? Now, after 2 hours, this is the result. We need to brush it again with olive oil and back to the oven for the last hour. Very nice.
Making nice.
And that it is. You see that? That's the one. Okay, look at that. Yeah? Super crispy skin. This is what we want. Perfectly cooked. Color. We lose a little bit, but smell amazing. Let's cut this baby. We love lechon! We cut, we try. That's one. Look the skin. That is what is the lechon. That is the one. Ramen, cheers.
Cheers. Crispy.
Amazing and crispy. Incredible, guys. Let's do your own. Look this skin. Yeah. This is what made the lechon extremely famous around the world. Good job. Actually, it's nice. From a Filipino chef and Italian chef, lechon.
Authentic Filipino lechon.
Here. Close. Closer. Go.
Lechon.